Hi, my name is Vera Apia. I am a full-time banker, full-time mom, and a full-time entrepreneur. I'm the brain behind Datelicious Foods. The brain behind Datelicious Foods. We produce date syrup and date powder, but right now we are focusing on the date syrup. Date syrup is a healthy sweetener that's a good substitute for sugar. I started this journey somewhere 2019 when I had my first girl and she was about turning 6 months. I wanted a way of sweetening her food, so I started doing some few research on healthy food for babies. That was when I came across date syrup. That was not the first time though, but I came across date syrup and it was like a confirmation of what I had heard about date syrup. So I decided to give it a try for my baby and she really loved it. Knowing me and knowing how I love to introduce things to friends and family, I decided, okay, why not use it as a business and introduce it to new moms who don't even know about date syrup. And that's how Datelicious was born. I used to do date syrup all by myself, and I used to sleep at 2 a.m., wake up at 5, get my baby ready for school because my baby started school very early and I had to also prepare myself for work. And my husband just couldn't stand the lateness and everything that came with it. It's been a very difficult journey, I must say, but it's been fulfilling as well. Being able to juggle family, work, banking work and side business. It's been kind of fulfilling but very stressful. I remember the first day I was producing, I started with 2 olunka. I don't know if you know olunka, that big tin tomatoes tin. That I started with 2, and now I can't disclose how many I produce in a week, but God has been so good. I've come really far, and I started in my kitchen, and now I have a production site where I have 3 other workers who are working with me. I don't do it alone now. I have people who support me and who work with me, and it's been fulfilling knowing that at the end of the month I have people on my payroll and everything. As my employers are paying me, I'm also paying people. It makes me feel like a big girl, you know. Yeah. As a child, I've always wanted to be a banker. So banking is like a childhood dream come true. And I had always wanted to be a mom to 3 kids. But looking back and looking at what I'm going through, I think I'll do it too. Because they are already a handful and they are 2 amazing kids. So whatever the 3rd one would have done, the 2 of them will do it for me. For moms who want to start businesses, I think you should. I'm tired of encouraging people to start business because I realize if you don't want to do something, no matter how people convince you to, you wouldn't do it. So find something that gives you happiness. Find something you actually want to do. For me, money is my motivation. So I hate it when I'm broke. So once I'm broke, I'll find something to do to get money. If it's not money and it's something else for you, look for that thing so that it will drive you to do your business. But by all means, do something for yourself. Whether being employed, being self-employed, or whatever you want to do, just do it.